I could catch 100 bands by the night. I'm low-key stressing, but I still bought the ice. Bust another knock, then I bought my son a fight. Bust another knock, then I bought my son a fight. I'm always by myself cause I don't trust a lot of niggas. Low-key XD40 in the kitchen. I fuck with square niggas, I fuck with straight niggas. TM on the beat, so you know this bitch a hitter. I still got a drip from my motherfucking Pisces. You thinking I'm your boyfriend, you must be sniffing nitrous. Tools on the beamer, got that bitch looking righteous. Tools on the beamer, got that bitch looking righteous. Switch it up, all the beat one time, down. Run up on a nigga with the 4-5, keep going legs. Came up, now they see that nigga chain. I remember cold nights on the blade. Keep it rollin', I'ma just switch it all the way up. I don't know a nigga shit, I've been working like a bitch. I don't use it like the bread, but this shit here for like 10. I don't do no fucking ass. I like beamers, I like beans. 25 for the fat, one for me, one for the bitch. Off the dribble, another 6. Oh, I need a money counter, call me Uncle Larry. Leave it dripping like a water fountain. When I'm in Atlanta, pull up on my brother Sean Kelly. I got plenty bitches, every time I ask her, she gon' let me hit it from the back. Then she make me grab it, say spaghetti. Man, that hit so good, I drop my iPhone 7. Only thing a nigga do, you know it's fucking A1. Had a whole lot of bitches, but I never paid one. Took the bitch to Napa Valley, told her pinkies off the cup. Plain hooded Saint Laurent, A50 off the jump, yeah,